Hi, I'm Isa Baksa. Welcome to Isang Manunulat Shorts. Today's topic is I'm Glad My Mom Died book review. This is the first audiobook I ever finished in one sitting. I'm Glad My Mom Died by Jeanette McCurdy. Raw, honest, and darkly funny, this memoir dives into her life as a child actress, her complicated relationship with her mother, and her journey toward healing. Jeanette didn't want to be an actress. She wanted to write. But her mother had other plans. From being showered and dressed by her mom until she was 16, to working under toxic conditions at Nickelodeon, Jeanette lays everything bare. Told in her own voice, the audiobook captures the trauma, the guilt, and eventually the freedom she found after her mother's death. The title was shocking, yes, but by the end, it makes heartbreaking sense. This book gets 5 out of 5 stars from me. And yes, I'm glad she told her story. Visit isangmanunulat.com and read the full blog post. Thanks for watching.